to another state sounds like an adventure, right? New scenery, new community, maybe even better weather. But let's be honest, when you start thinking about everything that has to get done, the packing, selling, organizing, finding new doctors and movers, and figuring out where you'll live in between, it can feel like a full-time job. Today, I'm breaking it all down into 7 simple tips that will help you plan your out-of-state move with confidence and peace of mind. By the end, you'll have a plan. Most retirees I work with tell me the same thing. We're excited, but we have no idea where to start. So if you're feeling that way, you're in the right place. Let's start with the first and most important step. Tip number 1, start with your timeline. Think of your move like a road trip. You wouldn't just get in the car and drive without knowing your route. Work backwards from your ideal move date. Give yourself at least 3 to 6 months if you're selling a home. You need to be sure to build in time for home repairs or updates before selling, researching your new area, and booking movers. You want to be sure to book them early because they fill up fast. This one step alone can save you weeks of stress. Tip number 2, downsize early. We collect a lot over the years, and the truth is not everything needs to come with you. Start small, 1 drawer, 1 closet, 1 room. Donate, sell, or gift items to family and friends. A bonus tip, some moving companies even offer senior downsizing services to help with sorting and packing. Tip number 3, get multiple moving quotes. Every moving company prices differently. Some charge by weight, others by distance or cubic feet. Get at least 3 quotes and make sure they do an in-person or virtual walkthrough. Ask if they're licensed for interstate moves and read reviews from people who actually move long distance. Or ask a friend for referrals. And don't forget to ask what's not included, like packing materials or long carry fees. They can add up fast. Also, be sure to ask them what items they will not move. Sometimes they will not move some food items or flammables. Tip number 4, know the cost of living in the city or state you're moving to. Before you fall in love with a new place, get a feel for the day-to-day costs. Look into taxes, especially property tax and income tax. Do they have a state tax? Healthcare costs, and even insurance. One couple I worked with saved hundreds of dollars a month by moving just 1 county over simply because of lower property taxes and utility rates. That money goes straight back into enjoying retirement. Visit before you commit. Photos can be beautiful, but they don't tell you how it feels to live there. Plan a short trip to your new town during different seasons. Visit a local grocery store, coffee shop, and maybe even a community event. Or better yet, chat with the neighbors. You'll learn more in 10 minutes of conversation than hours of online research, and you'll get the real thing. There's also probably a Facebook group or 2 about the community as well. And if you can, rent for a few months before buying. It's the best way to test drive your new lifestyle. Hey, I'm Karen Jackson with John Scott Real Estate in King County, and I've helped a lot of retirees make smooth out-of-state moves. If these tips are helpful, tap that like button and subscribe and tell me in the comments where you're planning to move. I love hearing your stories, and it helps others who are going through the same thing. Tip number 6, handle paperwork early. The dreaded paperwork. It seems like we always say, oh, I'll do that tomorrow, and then all of a sudden it's moving day. Forwarding mail, updating your address, transferring prescriptions, it all takes time. Create a digital or paper moving binder. Include important contacts, utility company, medical records, moving company details. And if you're selling your house, add all your real estate paperwork too. Keeping everything in one place saves hours of stress later. Better yet, I have a spectacular moving planner guide that I would love to send to you that will help you with all of this. You can find a link in the description below. Tip number 7, plan where you'll stay in between homes. Always have a plan B. Sometimes your new home isn't ready the day you sell your current one. Or sometimes you haven't found that new home, and that's okay. Look into short-term rentals, Airbnbs, extended stay hotels. It gives you flexibility to take your time finding the right home instead of rushing just to have a roof over your head. One couple I worked with sold their home here in Auburn, Washington, and moved to Arizona. They followed these exact steps, and when moving day came, they said it was the easiest big move they've ever made. The secret wasn't luck, it was having a plan that worked for them. Moving out of state doesn't have to be stressful. With the right plan and a little patience, it can be one of the best decisions you ever make. Now that you've got a plan for your move, the next question is a big one. Should you sell your home before buying your next one? That's exactly what I cover in my next video, where I break down the pros and cons so you can decide what works best for your situation. You can watch it right here.